Hi, this is Pearl Hung, the founder of Elites Empire. First things first, before we start, kung ano nga ba ang Elites Empire, ano yung kumpanya natin, gusto kong ma-inform ka, what is network marketing? It's because in the Philippines, pag sinabing network marketing, parang, ay, baka yun yung mga una-unahan, o kaya dyan yung naglalagay ka ng pera na wala kang gagawin, tutubo. Well, to tell you, there's a lot of network marketing companies in the Philippines, and most of them hindi nagtatagal ng 5 years or 10 years. But I am proud to tell you that our company is already 2 decades of existence. Napakahaba na po ng journey ng ating company, and we are currently expanding internationally. Our company is really so big time. It's because we already have 115 offices here in the Philippines, and we have opened 50 countries worldwide, no? Napakadaming bansa na where our company is expanding, knowing that our company is a Filipino-owned company. And you know what? Our company has created 18,000 plus millionaires already. That is 2 to 3 millionaires a day. And you know what? I started here 15 years ago and my life truly changed. But before anything else, I'd like to share to you, bakit kumikita ng malaki dyan sa network marketing? Alam niyo ba that networking is advertising? Ibig sabihin ito, para siyang normal na isang pagpo-produce at pagpo-forward ng isang produkto. Alam nyo ba, sa traditional way of doing marketing, ang produkto ay manggagaling sa factory, mapupunta sa wholesaler, mapupunta sa area agent, sa middleman, sa retailer, bago mapunta sa end consumer. Ibig sabihin, sobrang daming dinaanan bago mapunta sa iyo ang isang produkto. Now, they have conceptualized this system called network marketing. Whereas, ang produkto sa network marketing na way ay manggagaling siya sa factory, to the wholesaler, to the consumers or distributors, which is tayo na sumali sa isang kumpanya, pushing forward and advertising the products. Alam niyo ba ang nangyayari sa traditional business, kung ikaw ay may produkto, for example, 12 ounce na Coke, alam mo ba kung magkano lang siya sa factory? Example, that's only 5 pesos. Pero pagdating sa iyo, as end consumer, ang 12 ounce na Coke, 15 pesos na. Alam mo ba bakit ganon yung naging jump ng presyo? It's because maraming pinagdaanan and dahil sa advertisement. Alam nyo ba na ganun kalaki ang binabayad for advertisement just for them to supply and produce the product? Ngayon po ang nangyayari sa network marketing, kaya malaki ang kinikita ng network marketers kasi sila ang advertisers. Hindi kumukuha ng artista, wala sa radyo, wala sa TV, wala sa billboard. Dahil imbis na ibayad sa artista, sa'yo na lang as network marketer binabayad at sa buong grupo mo. That's why network marketers are earning like celebrities. Yun po ang nangyayari sa kanila. That's why here, we earn so huge. And network marketing has been existing in other countries, specifically in US. Pag nagtanong ka doon, pag nakita mo ang mga billionaires in US today, they recommend you doing network marketing. Like Anthony Robbins, Stephen Covey, Robert Kiyosaki, na makikita mo sa National Bookstore yung books niya, best-selling authors. Sila mismo ang nagsasabi that you need to do network marketing dahil sobrang ganda ng industriya. It's just so happen, na in the Philippines, may mga nagtatayo-tayo na hindi naman talaga sila network marketing. Ang tawag sa kanila ay mga pyramiding schemes. Pero ginagamit lang nila yung pangalang network marketing. Pero actually, they're just there na walang products na may move or wala talagang vision na nakikita sa kumpanya. That's why may mga hindi talaga okay. But you know what? Here, with our company, napakaganda po ng track records because we have all these awards na meron tayo. Another thing that I'd like to inform, speaking about the pyramiding, no? Alam nyo ba na ang pyramiding scheme, ibig sabihin nun, kung sinong nasa taas, siya yung mas kikita ng malaki, at yung nasa baba, hindi kikita ng husto katulad ng kumikita na nasa taas. Alam mo what I love about Alliance in Motion Global ay kahit nahuli ka sumali, kahit ngayon ka lang sumali, alam mo ba na pwede mong malampasan yung kinikita ng taong nag-invite sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, this is very fair. I love this. It's because nakadepende ang pasok ng komisyon mo sa galaw na gagawin mo. And alam nyo ba that our company, Alliance in Motion Global, ay may sariling manufacturing plant and at the same time may 7-story building here in Cebu. Very, very loud and proud that we have that kind of company. And alam niyo ba, 15 years ago, I was invited here. I'd like to tell you my story, my journey of being here. 15 years ago, in-invite po ako. I was just a student that time. And sabi ko nga, sige, tatry kong tignan. Kasi bakit naman ako maghuhusga sa isang bagay na hindi ko pa nakikita? So I attended the seminar. After doon, my life changed, my perspective changed. Na nasabi ko that as early as now, kailangan kong magnegosyo. Kasi marami ako nakikita na pag-graduate, walang trabaho. Or yung iba, may trabaho, pero kulang pa rin. Meron nga, dalawa na may trabaho sa pamilya, bitin pa rin ang family. Eh, kung ito yung magiging landas ng buhay ko, sabi ko, yun din yung magiging resulta ko. And I joined here because may nakita ako na isang tao na kumikita ng 200,000 pesos at that time. Sabi ko, kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin. Estudyante siya, estudyante rin ako. Kung nagawa niya, definitely kaya kong aralin. Kasi lahat naman ng magagaling, naging hindi magaling yan nung umpisa. And you know what? Hindi lang 200,000 ang ibinigay nito sa akin. Even just with those people nakaka-join pa lang sa Elites Empire, they are experiencing that inspiration of 200,000 per month. It's because of what happened to us during pandemic. Alam nyo ba, sa ganda ng konsepto ng negosyo, ng network marketing, in-incorporate natin siya sa online. And alam mo, pagdating ng pandemic, talagang napaisip ka eh. There are people na naging successful nung pandemic, and there are people na hindi naging successful. When you see these people, bakit sila naging successful? It's because nag-adapt sila sa online. Most of the millionaires and billionaires in this generation, nanggaling sila nung pandemic. 70% of them galing sa wala, nagkaroon. Bakit? Because they adapted to the change of online business. And the Elites Empire is consistently innovating, strategizing, at sumasabay sa pag-angat ng technology. And you know what? Because of that, nag-10 times ang results na nagkakaroon po kami dito sa network marketing. You know what? We have these results. Ang dami dyan nagkakotse, ang daming lumaki yung income, ang dami ditong napauwi for good na mga OFWs, ang daming kumita ng milyon in a short span of time, at kumita ng milyon in just 1 month. We have this system, we have this blueprint, we have this roadmap, nasasabay ka na lang, at ikaw naman yung susunod na magkakaroon nun. What I'm telling is not about wish. I'm telling about the results we've created for the past years of Elites Empire. In this generation, masasabi natin that this is the best time for mankind. In the history of the generations of mankind, ito yung pinakamasarap yumaman at gumanda yung buhay. Bakit? We are in our economy equalizer. Yun po ang nagkakaroon ngayon dahil hindi naman tinitingnan anong background mo, kung nakapagtapos ka ba. Ang importante ngayon, malakas ba yung loob mo to start your business. Out of all the businesses na nagkaroon ako, I've experienced having water refilling station, computer shop, pastry business, travel agency. Sa lahat ng yon, network marketing ang pinakamaganda. It's because number one, you are able to expand your business in different parts of the Philippines and different parts of the world. Pangalawa, you can actually enjoy and have your time outside the Philippines, mag-travel ka, and yet, kumikita ka ng malaki. Number 3, the impact, the influence, and yung touch na nagkakaroon ka sa tao na you're able to teach. Kung ano yung alam mo, binibigay mo sa kanila para sila naman na maging successful. Number 4, I've seen immense growth, changes sa akin bilang tao 15 years ago up to now that I am doing this business. And last, walang operational expenses. Wala akong papasweldohang tao, wala akong office na binabayaran. You know, my business is so convenient. That's why I tell you, do this business. Try mo lang tignan, and definitely your life can change. What happened to us can happen to you as well. The next video will let you know about the business. Kung paano mo to gagawin, how will you earn, and we are very excited to welcome you.